Hi Mad community, it's Coach Baldwin here. I'm the creator of Mad Society, and this is the video for guardians and students for level 2, and you all are working up towards the dinner theater. I'm so thankful you are all in Mad Society. I know that if you're a returning Mad member or a guardian of a returning Mad member, you might be tempted to not watch this video, but please help your coach out. Refresh yourself on what Mad Society is, what it isn't, and all the ways you can contribute in very simple ways to make Mad Society successful. So your coach should have already communicated with you about how Mad Society is going to get information. For most Mad Societies, you're going to have a Mad Society app. Please get on the app, and if your student is old enough, both you and your student need to have a profile and use your real first and last name and a real headshot of you zoomed in so people can get to know your face and your name. Familiarize yourself with the app and then find where all the documents are that either your coach has sent you or are posted on the app, and print them if they're supposed to be printed, fill them out if they're supposed to be filled out, and return them if they're supposed to be returned by the date that your coach has provided for you. Gifs, memes, photos, videos, or anything not related to Mad Society is not permitted to be posted without permission from the coach. You're more than welcome to start chats with shared opportunities, awesome things that you all are doing outside of Mad Society that you would like people to participate or come see, but just make sure you have permission from the coach. Please know that if students are starting chats in the app without the coach in the chat, the coach probably can't see that chat, so they won't be able to monitor it. Also remember that the opening page of the app is for coaches' posts only. You need to have permission if you want to post something on that opening page. That way when guardians and students open it, they're going to see the most important information about Mad Society because it came from the coach. So the first document we're going to quickly go over is what is Mad Society. Read over that with your student, refresh yourself and your student on what the goals for Mad Society are and what the goals for Mad Society are not. This way you can most easily help the coach achieve the vision cast for Mad Society. The next important document is the Student Behavior Guidelines. If your student is new to Mad Society, please read over this document, print the last page, and turn it back in. If you are a returning Mad member, it's not going to hurt for you to go ahead and read back over those student behavior guidelines. The next form you're going to find is the Mad Society Voices form. Please read this document with your students so they understand how Mad Society welcomes and addresses challenging issues in the Mad Society community should they arise. This document will always be on the app for you. It should also be in your student's 3-ring Mad Society binder. We value everyone's voice and greatly desire to have a culture of honor in Mad Society, so please don't hesitate to use this form. All right, the next important document is the Dinner Theater Guardian Letter. This letter describes the process of the upcoming dinner theater and ways you can contribute to Mad Society as a guardian and help support the coach, support the wingman, and support your student. So please take a minute to read the Guardian Letter for this show and for all future shows. The next highly important document is the calendar. So go ahead and get out your personal calendar, enter the dates in, let your coach know immediately if there is a date you know your student will be absent for. Keep in mind that missing mandatory dates could disqualify you from taking acting and stage crew jobs. Also remember that being more than 15 minutes late or leaving more than 15 minutes before a designated end time for an event will count as an absence unless you've been given previous permission. Your coach isn't trying to be mean. It's just, unlike a sports team, it's really hard to have someone randomly last minute fill in for an acting job. Have really good communication with your coach so they can be prepared before practice starts. The next important document is the Dinner Theater Student Questionnaire. Please print this questionnaire, fill it out with your student, scan it or photograph it, and then put it in the chat on the app titled Student Questionnaires. This way the coach has a digital version that's all in one place, so when they're picking roles and picking jobs, they can find it easily. The next important, very lengthy document, but important to read, is the jobs guide. If you're going to take a job, you need to read what you are signing up for. As always, I encourage you to take jobs that you know you're gifted in and to take a job that would challenge you to see if maybe there's something you didn't know you were gifted in, and it would be an opportunity for the Lord to shine through you. Mad Society is divided into 2 sessions, and each student needs to fill out either a registration form if you're a new student or a renewal form if you are a returning student. So please make sure to get that done right now and get it back to your coach. And finally, here are a few reminders to make Mad Society and the dinner theater absolutely amazing. Mad Society has a cell phone policy that will be enforced by the coach. Mad Society facility should be respected at all times. RSVPs are required on the Mad app. RSVP at least 24 hours in advance or as soon as you can. And also know that an occasional text message will be sent out to guardians for last-minute event changes, details, or to highlight crucial information that is needed in a timely manner. Well, that's it. May the Lord bless your dinner theater. Have a wonderful time in your community, creating something that people want to see. They're excited. Share it with them right now. Have them save the date, and just bless you guys and enjoy yourselves. We serve a God that loves fun. Go have fun. Anything not related to Mad Society is permitted to be posted. Blah, blah, blah.